Hello everyone. Welcome to the webinar of strategic portfolio management. So, this session is designed to provide you with actionable insights and practical tools to achieve your goals in strategic PPM. So, we'll explore how OnePlan supports organizations in aligning strategy with execution and prioritizing the investments and maximizing the value delivery also. So today we'll see what is strategic PPM and introduction of a OnePlan and a live demo of the tool, and we can handle other question sessions also. So let's get started with the ideas of strategic PPM. So strategic PPM is about aligning your project portfolio with your business strategy. So it ensures that every project contributes to your long-term goals and delivers measurable value also. So this is basically about smart decision making, ensuring that every project aligns with the company's big goals. So it is a way for companies to plan and organize all their projects and programs. And moving forward, it keeps an eye on how they are doing to make sure to stay on track also. So it helps the companies to make smart choices about where to focus their efforts and to reach their long-term goals also. So it is using the organizational data on the project within a portfolio and then delivers focused business intelligence reports to stakeholders that spell out exactly how each project is helping contribute towards the company's wider goals also. So we can see the benefits of strategic portfolio management also. So it maximizes the business value. So ensure that resources are invested in the most impactful initiatives and managing risk. So identify and mitigate the risk across the portfolio, not only for the project, it is across the portfolio. And optimizing the resource allocation. So we have a balancing between the capacity and demand to avoid the overloading teams or underutilizing talent also, and mainly enabling agility. So we can adapt quickly to changing business priorities and market conditions also. So these are the benefits of using the strategic portfolio management. So we'll see what are the steps in strategic portfolio management. So the first step is defining the clear strategic objectives. So this guide the project selection and the prioritization also. And the next step is you can align the investments and budgets and resources, resource capacity for implementing the strategy. So this ensures the high impact projects receives the fund and attention they deserve. And then third, you can see the real-time visibility. So visibility is the key to effective strategic portfolio management. So this allows for better traceability and faster decision making also. So it allows the teams to work on the way that suits them the best while still aligning with the strategic goals. So you can adopt both the hybrid methodologies, both the waterfall and agile methodologies. Also, you can combine in the strategic portfolio management. And SPM is not a one-time activity; it's a continuous process. So adaptability is crucial in today's fast-changing environment. So here, you can have an adaptive and ongoing management also. So the basic common challenges the organizations faces are like a lack of prioritization criteria. You have the resource constraints and inefficient risk management, poor governance and change resistance and lack of visibility also. So to avoid these challenges, we use the concept of strategic portfolio project management. So the concept of this strategic PPM will be employed in the tool called OnePlan. So we'll have a introduction on the OnePlan. So OnePlan is a cutting-edge AI-enabled strategic portfolio and work management platform designed to transform how organizations manage their projects and initiatives. So with OnePlan, you can streamline the delivery of strategic initiatives, optimize the resource allocation, and enhance the team collaboration also. So we have a lot of features involved in the OnePlan. So it uses the concept of strategic portfolio management. You can align your projects with your organization's strategic goals and work management. So manage your projects from start to finish with comprehensive tools for planning, tracking, and reporting also. And financial management, where you can keep a close eye on your budget with the real-time financial tracking and forecasting capabilities. And resource management, Resource management, you can optimize the use of your resources by allocating them efficiently across the project and task. And then we have the AI-driven insight. So AI capabilities to gain insight. So you can create plans, optimize your resource allocations, you can identify the risk and make data-driven decisions also. And you can integrate this OnePlan with tools like Microsoft Project, Azure DevOps, and Jira, and to create a comprehensive project management ecosystem. And collaboration, you can have a foster collaborative environment with features that promote communications and teamwork among cross-functional teams. So uh, why do we choose OnePlan? So OnePlan is a user-friendly interface, makes it easy for teams to adapt and use effectively. So whether you are managing a small project or a large portfolio, OnePlan scales to meet your needs also. And also, if you want to tailor the platform to fit your specific requirements with the customizable workflows, forms, and reports also. So we'll just move to the OnePlan screen, and we have a short demo of how to use the OnePlan with the strategic portfolio management concepts. So this is the OnePlan screen. So first we will see how to align the projects with the business. So how OnePlan supports the strategic alignment. So OnePlan is strategy model enables the organization to map the projects and ideas and the programs, epics, everything directly to strategic objectives. Okay. So for example, you can take any organization. They want to shift from offline to strong online presence. So using the SPM concept, they decide their portfolios, programs, and projects and epics to be involved in their organization. You can see the portfolio name, Digital Transformation for Retail. And we have a different programs called e-commerce platform modernization, logistic optimization, and digital marketing and customer engagement. So within the programs, we have different projects and epics also there. So projects, you have the waterfall approach, and epic you have then agile approach. So both the approaches you can manage in a single tool in OnePlan. Okay, so here you can see a strategic hierarchy. So we have a hierarchy of the portfolio, programs, and projects and epics also. Now we have to link these items to the strategy. Okay, so we have to move to the strategy module. So strategy module will allow you to add your objectives and key results also. Okay, so what is the main objective of your organization and what are the key results you want to achieve? So you can see this build a seamless and scalable e-commerce platform. So that is the objective you want to reach. And within this objective, you have the key results: launch, redesign website by Q3 and achieve uptime and increase online conversion rate. So these are the three key results you want to achieve for your to reach the objective. Okay, so within the key result, if you see, you can add different details of your key results also, and you can add directly your projects, epics, programs, and portfolios. Every items directly you can associate with your key results. Okay, so that you have a direct connection between your objectives, key results, and projects and programs also. So it uses to define a hierarchy of strategic goals from high level vision down to specific objectives and key results. So you can link these objectives and ensure every initiative supports the broader strategy. And also the KPIs can be associated with both the strategic objectives and individual project also. So you can enable your performance tracking at multiple levels. And you can see the different visualization tools also. So like roadmap and dashboard. So you can see the roadmap to have a visualization of your objectives and key results. You can group it by portfolio or epic. So this you can change and you can see the different types of visualization, how the roadmap, how the objectives will be classified using the priority. And if you want to go for strategic alignment, so if you want to view the objectives in a strategic alignment way, so what are the extreme strategies, alignment portfolios, and moderate, low, so not rated. So like this, you can have a grouping or a hierarchy or a roadmap of your strategy of your projects and portfolios also. And then you have the dashboard feature. So dashboard feature is directly linked with the Power BI. So all the data will be loaded in the Power BI, and from there you can just link the URL and you will get the dashboard of the strategy. So you can have a objective of the portfolio, and you can see the progress, business unit wise status, and key results portfolio. So everything you can have it in a dashboard view of the strategy module. And so to view the connection of your project, so once you go inside the objective, you can visualize how the objective is visually represented here. So you can see this is your objective and what are the key results you are having in your project. Okay, and how you are achieving the key results in the form of projects or epics. So how the projects or epics are linked with the key results and how it is linked with the objective. So you have a clear visual representation of this objective runway, and you can able to visualize this to your senior management, and you can able to track your projects in the project level and in the portfolio level, and you can see whether you can reach the objective or not throughout your organization. Okay. And then the same thing also can be done in the portfolio also. So you can just click on the portfolio, and same visualization you can turn on for the portfolio also. So here you can see the runway of the portfolio. So you can see this portfolio runway. So how the portfolio is connected with the programs, and the programs is connected with the projects or epics, and how the project or epics is connected with the key results, and how it is going to achieve the objective of your organization. Okay, so this is the concept of strategic portfolio management. So how the projects or epics or programs in your organization is mapped or linked with the objectives. So using this strategy execution, you can improve the visibility. So you can gain a clear view of how each project aligns with the strategic goals, and real-time dashboards highlight the progress, risk, and performance metrics also. And it can be used for better decision making. So the leaders can prioritize their initiatives, and scenario planning also help to evaluate the trade-offs and optimize the portfolios also. And you can have an enhanced alignment. So ensures that execution is tightly coupled with strategy. And you have the roadmap or a visual timeline of the strategic initiatives, helping stakeholders see how projects align with the long-term goals. So next, we move to the prioritizing investments. So for prioritizing investments in your organization, we use the scoring models, which help the organizations objectively evaluate and prioritize the projects based on multiple criteria. So you can choose criteria based on the value, that is ROI, risk, cost, strategic fit also. Okay, so each project is scored against this criteria using a weighted model, and allow the decision makers to compare the initiatives on a consistent basis. Okay, so you can have a view. So this is the portfolio view. So in this portfolio, you have a different types of view. So you can just go for portfolio prioritization. So using the portfolio prioritization, you can just see how the projects are prioritized for your organization. Okay, so here you can select a portfolio or program or any type of plan you want to choose. Okay, so here you can see the factors on which the portfolios are prioritized. So you have the strategic alignment, cost, improved employment retention, and risk reduction. So using these factors, by selecting these factors, you can have your prioritizations will be automatically calculated. So the number will be automatically calculated by choosing these factors. Okay. So based on this prioritization, you can select your projects according to the prioritization value calculated. So you can also use your custom own fields to calculate your prioritizations also. Okay. And also you can use the voting technique to select the portfolio prioritization. So this is the one method. We can use the scoring model to calculate your project portfolio prioritization. And then one other is the voting method. So here you can enable the voting method for any type of plans like portfolios, programs, projects, epics, everything. So you can just include the votes column, and based on the votings decided by the stakeholders or the users in your OnePlan, so you can able to prioritize your projects also. So this is the other method where you can involve other users also to vote for the project or portfolio. So based on that, you can prioritize your project portfolio, and you can invest on it, and you can also go for resource optimization based on this voting method. So next, is maximizing value delivery. So value delivery means ensuring the outcomes of your projects align with your strategic goals and solve the real customer problems and deliver the measurable business benefits. And you can ensure whether they are delivered efficiently and iteratively also. So here you can see the objective. So in this objective, so by this build a seamless and scalable e-commerce platform, we have a customer-centric design. So if you go to the strategy, and you can see the visualization, and you can check how we are maximizing the value. So you have a customer centric design. So the website applications and the UI and UX design. So these are all the projects to improve the user satisfaction and conversion rate. And you can also launch the MVP versions, allow faster feedback and iterative improvements. And you have the performance focus. So you can see this achieve 99% uptime. So that you can go for fast load times, directly impact revenue and customer trust also. So you can have a higher online sales, better customer experience, and brand credibility also. So using these things, we can enable and maximize the value of delivery for your projects also. So to maximize the value delivery, we can go for an agile execution. We can deliver in sprints, gather the feedback and adapt quickly. And you can also go for continuous measurement like KPIs and OKR to track the real-time progress. And you also involve customer feedback loop. Okay, so you can integrate reviews and feedback into the product and service improvement also. And you can also ensure marketing, technology, and operations, different departments, they work together to deliver a holistic value also. So using this value realization, you can maximize the ROI and improve the transparency and enhances the agility of your organization. So other than this, we have a lot of capabilities involved in the OnePlan. Like you have the board view. So portfolio Kanban board. So it is an interactive Kanban board to manage and prioritize the work across the portfolio. So you can see the portfolios, how it is connected in a board wise, and you can also group it according to the priority or strategic alignment. Or state wise you can see. And you can view the dependency, how they are connected with each other using the dependency lines. Okay, so this is a board which supports agile and hybrid workflows and allowing the teams to visualize the progress, manage the backlogs, and quickly adapt to change also. And then we can go for financial informations also can be stored for a portfolio. So we have the financial So for each and every project and Epic, you can have a financial plan. So just click on the Epic or project and you can see different plans will be loaded. So first thing is the details page that we can able to customize over for based on your requirement. Okay. And then you have the financial page. So here we can use the budgeting, forecasting and actual tracking of financial values also. So you can see the labors, material supplies, travels and expenses, contracts. So all these financial data can be integrated here. And then we can also go for adding the resource plan of the portfolios and projects. And you can see the time-wise resource loading also. And then you have the work plan. So work plan, you have the list-wise and the board-wise also here. So you can go for, if it is an agile waterfall project, you can go for a schedule type, and otherwise, if it is an agile project, you can go for backlog, and you can add your backlog items here, like user story, task, and future, and then you can schedule your items using the effort and user story points, and you can assign the resources, you can assign them to the sprints. Okay, and then you have the different views also, like backlog planning, cost, effort, and tracking also. So this is how we will use the work management for projects and for the epics also. Okay. So how these tools work together? So these features are integrated into a unified platform, so enabling seamless collaboration between the strategy, finance, and delivery teams also. You have the strategic roadmap, guide what needs to be done, and combine boards manage how it gets done. And the financial tools track how much it costs, and resource management also ensures who can do it. So together they create a loop system and that supports strategic execution from planning through delivery and value realization also. So you can also integrate the Power BI for real-time dashboards, and this one plan integrates seamlessly with the Power BI and other Microsoft tools like Microsoft Project, Microsoft Online, Project Online, Azure DevOps, Jira. Okay. So users can drill down the specific metrics or high-level summaries, making it easy to monitor the KPIs and value realization across the portfolio also. So these are the futures of OnePlan, and these are the benefits you will get while using the OnePlan tool. Thank you for your time and support. So if you have any questions, you can.